This is just beautiful place.
Yeah.
And I'm standing in front of one of the famous museum of the center of Baku. This is known as Hyder Aliyev Center. One of the famous tourist destination this is. It is situated at the heart of the city and it was really beautiful. This is considered to be one of the finest place in the world. It is world famous and I am going to take some picture at I love Baku here. Important thing about this museum is it is made without any pillar. There is no any pillar. It has just been molded and I don't know how it is made, but it is just one of the best and the unique center.
It was a wonderful day to spend in Hyder Aliyev Museum, and the second half of the day was at Nizami Street, Baku. This is the local instrument being played by a man in a street. It is really a unique one. A visit to Nizami Street was a day to remember. Nizami Street is a home to various outlets from bank to fashion stores and is one of the most expensive streets in the world. The street also accommodates the embassies of Germany, Norway, and Netherlands and Austria, as well as the European Union delegations to Azerbaijan. This is also one of the famous oldest market in Baku. Nizami Street is very much famous with its old structures. These are the old pots. It looks so beautiful. I also purchased one teapot. These were the old motor car which was displayed on the street. I just took a picture. Look at this. This is the beautiful Nizami market. Nizami Street in Baku, Azerbaijan is famous for its vibrant atmosphere, mix of historic and modern architecture, luxury shopping, cafe and restaurants. It is major pedestrian thoroughfare known for its European-inspired buildings, central roles such as Gathering Place and proximity to the Fountain Square and the Nizami Museum of Azerbaijan Literature. You can see the beautiful beautiful market of Nizami, Baku. The floor tiles are also very much beautiful. The structures, all the building structures are old structures and a very unique one. It is one of the Baku's most popular shopping destinations, featuring a wide variety of shops from luxury international brands to local boutique and souvenir stores. Visitor can find numerous cafe, coffee shop and restaurant offering a range of dining experience and culinary options. See these, wow, what a wonderful street market this is. The street is also popular with both local and tourists and is known for its vibrant, bustling atmosphere, particularly lively day and night. The weather mostly remains cold and windy here. Look at this. This is the cleanest market of Baku, known as Nizami Street. Enjoy this. It was such a wonderful place, I must say. If you visit Baku, you'll love to be in Nizami Street for 2 3 days continuously, morning, evening, afternoon. You can have a lovely time in this place. I was really very much happy to be in this place. Very peace, very clean. You'll enjoy it. I'm going to miss it. I was in the Highland Park in the evening. Another way to get a panoramic view is from Highland Park, offering view of the city and the Caspian Sea. You can also see the sea from a boat tour on the Caspian Sea, which provide impressive views of landmarks like the Telly Tower, Maiden Tower, and the city skyline. I also learned to play this scooty, which was really difficult for me. Wow, you will just love this place. I love it. And I'm gonna miss it really. If time permits, I'll try to visit many more times to Baku. I hope you all enjoyed my this video. Thank you for liking, watching and sharing, subscribing my channel. Thank you friends. See you again.